I'm going to show you now how you can collate stories. Perhaps you've had a student that every day has worked on one page of a story, and then you want to actually combine those stories into one story later on. So this is how you would do it. Go to the advanced setting under the student's books,
cartooner, walking, track,
advanced setting, and then collate stories. Now in this instance I've got 3 stories that I want to collate. So to do it, all you do is click on them and then add the story. Click on the next one, add the story, and click on the next one and add the story. And there I are. I've got 3 stories now that I've collated into one. Hit the tick button and let's have a look at it. Here it is now. We'll listen to it.
I like kiwi fruit. I like bananas. I like oranges.
And so our 3 pages have 3 stories have been combined to make one story. So that's all there is to it.